Hi, welcome. My name is Ray Silva, and now we will be talking about layers after basics. Well, you see from last time when we created that new map, whatever you like, it's right here. It adds on, and if we click on it, and we'll be talking about layers today. What a layer is basically is if you did not want to create a whole new map, you can easily add a layer right here, and you can create, or you can actually compare two things that you didn't want. And right now, what I have right here is a malls. I have the MacArthur Mall, I have Pembroke Mall, and I have Lynnhaven Mall, and that's just the layers for malls if I needed to know. And if you wanted to add a new layer, you can go right here, click on it, and now it's untiled layer, and now you can see you're on that layer because of the blue line right here. You can double click on untiled layer, and you can, let's go with coffee shops. And we can easily add things here, so go to Starbucks and add to map, and now we have a layer with coffee shops. If I added more, that's what it looks like, and you can easily hide all these by just clicking on the check mark, or you can click them back on, and click off the coffee shop, click them back on. Just make sure if you know you're adding the things, you can add them with the blue line indicating, and if you needed to like move Pembroke Mall into coffee shops, maybe Pembroke Mall became a coffee shop, you can easily just drag it and you can go put it to coffee shops, and now you can turn off, they're both going to turn off. So that's cool. And you can go to layer options right here if you need it, and you can easily delete this layer or rename this layer. And if you do open data table, you can see all the descriptions on it side by side with the name in a column, which is pretty cool. And if you go to individual styles, you can also do it by name, or you can do it by description. Yep. So again, to show you the purpose for layers, I have put two layers, places I've been right here, and places where I want to go. So for the places I've been, these are the little two malls that I want to, and say you have places that I want to go, you want to turn off the places I've been. I was like, oh look, this is where I want to go. So if you end up going there one day, if you end up going to this Starbucks place, you can just be like, oh, okay, cool, now I've been there, so I can easily just drag it and put it to places I've been. And now if you still turn that off, now I can you see the Pembroke Mall, that's where I want to go. So that's just the point of layers, so you don't have to create a whole new map for something so small, or you can even have two things comparing each other if you needed to. Thank you for watching layers, and I hope you have learned or are still not confused about layers.